Hello students, welcome to Prudential Businesses. So students, in this class we'll be discussing about the case studies. Okay, so basically what happens, one of the major problem is that whenever we are studying chapters, in that cases if we study the case studies or even the question and answers, then it becomes very easy for us to detect that this particular question is related to this particular function of management. Okay, so the problem comes at the time when you will be getting the question paper. In your question paper there are large number of questions, and one particular question will be related to which type of functions of management. That is actually a challenge to many of our students. Okay, so in this video we will be trying to sort out that challenge. Okay, now here you see one particular question is given here. I have said, I already told you at the beginning that before you go what is written here, it is necessary for you to study the bottom line of the cases, clear, or the question answers. Now question number 1, what it is here? Identify the functions of management being performed by the firm in the above situation. Here we need to identify the function of management. What are the functions of management? Starting from planning, in this case it can be related to planning, it can be related to organizing, it can be related to staffing, directing, anything. Out of that, one function of management will be there. And next will be, what do you think about the possible problem for the firm's inability to meet the target for which Mr. Vikas has been appointed? So these are the two questions we need to answer. Okay, here you see we have got the questions. Now come to what is written in the case. To solve the case studies, our first work is to study the questions and then to study the keywords of the case. Now when we go to the study the case, we will be coming across various types of keywords. Now take for example, Mr. Rajesh has been working as a firm manufacturing jute lampshades. It uses the leftover jute pieces from various jute factories to manufacture economical landscape which are supplied to various hotels and nearby towns. It employs men and women from the nearby villages as workers for creating lampshade designs. So here you see the example is that we got the keyword. By seeing this line, it employs men and women from nearby villages. So this word employment, whenever we got the word employment, it will be related to one of the functions of management. It will not be related to any planning, it will not be related to organizing, but staffing. Staffing means employing or putting right man at the right place, or appointing right man at the right place. So this word employment, whenever we come across this word employment, employees, then we can understand, then we will be able to answer the first question. Identify the function of management. This function of management is related to staffing. Okay. Next you see. Despite employing men and women from nearby villages to produce landscape, despite that, Mr. Rajesh has not been able to fulfill his targets and therefore appointed Mr. Vikas as the supervisor to analyze the reason for the firm's failure to meet the target. See, here Mr. Rajesh, he has employed men and women from nearby villages to help him to sort out his work, but he is not able to meet the targets because his workload is so very high. That is why his employed men and women are not able to work properly, and that is why he had appointed Mr. Vikas as a supervisor to analyze the reasons for the firm's failure. Okay, so Mr. Vikas will be discovering a solution, so that actually he will be discovering a solution so that his workload will be matched with the workforce. So let us see the question number 2. What do you think about the possible problem for the firm's inability to meet the target? The firm's possible problem is the lack of manpower planning. So under manpower planning, the workload and workforce should be matched in such a way that they are able to reach the target, they are able to achieve their targets. Okay, so that this case was related to that only. It can come for 4 months. First is that identify the concepts of management, that is staffing. You also need to write why it is related to staffing, because staffing aims at appointing at the right man at the right place. But here in this case there is a problem. What is that problem? The employed men and women are not able to work properly. That is why they are not able to reach their targets, and that is why Mr. Vikas has been appointed as a supervisor. So he will be supervising either to appoint more men or to train the existing men. Okay, there is a difference, there is a problem regarding to manpower planning, which is actually the first step in the staffing process. Okay, so that was about the case. Okay, so in the next video we will be discussing another case relating to another topic. So keep watching the video.